Hello April. April is coming. Summer has not yet come, and spring has not yet left. The month of April is a time of gentleness and intensity, of crazy and ignorant, of distant dreams and memories. April, the month of wondering, not knowing where to go, the month full of nostalgia, the month for us to be absorbed in finding old memories, the month to rummage through the guest book with familiar handwriting, the month of the faded folds of time. April comes with the fragrant earthy showers, and perhaps under that clear and blue sky, each of us also feels a little of summer. There is the sound of cicada. The Sunday of April is not hot enough to make people uncomfortable. April comes, we carry heavy emotions. We are confused with the present, uncertain about the future. We wonder where our purpose is, have we succeeded, what we have done. Then we feel that everything we are pursuing is difficult and precarious. We wonder if we're doing well, or are we just standing still, or even taking a step back. April makes us pause and look back at our progress, our initial resolutions, then April lets us decide, we should continue and try to do better. But forget it, let's skip our problems, don't let the beautiful April that nature gives us to become our selfish worries. Let's see what's so special about April. April begins with a funny Fool's Day. Surely all of us have been pranked before. Lying is too normal. Why don't we try to tell the truth once, to someone we haven't dared to say? It's definitely more interesting than lying. You may not know, April also symbolizes the god of love. April is taken from the original Aphrodite, goddess of love and beauty in Greek mythology, equivalent to Venus in Roman mythology. In addition, in Old English, April is sometimes called Easter Monab, the month of Easter, a time commonly used to commemorate the death and resurrection of Jesus in the Christian. April is also outstanding with the season of sunflowers, red silk cotton flowers, milkwood pine flowers, confetti, etc. In particular, hidden in the mountains with pure white is Bauhinia variegata. Running along the road watching the bougainvillea bushes in full bloom, seeing the street vendors full of plums, mulberries, oleaster, mangoes, pineapples, etc., we know April is coming. April is also suitable for those who love to travel, because the weather is not too harsh and quite mild. With such clement weather and favorable terrain, why don't we plan a trip at the end of April? April is just like a young girl, very stylish and feisty. Then there are days when we wake up early. We feel strangely quiet around, we immerse ourselves in and feel the clear weather. We seem to hear every little change of Mother Nature, so every day passes until we wake up. We hear the cicada welcome the new day with red phoenix flower, the sun comes earlier, the wind is stronger, we smile to greet the new month. Well, now let's greet the month of April with a cup of aromatic coffee, soft music, and a little taste of April weather. Wishing you a month full of positive energy, and don't forget to say love to yourself, and your loved ones.
Subscribe to continue listening to my English radio where I will share interesting things from life. I love you. I'm Honey.